A new observational window on the universe typically leads to surprises that cannot yet be foreseen. We are still rubbing our eyes, or rather ears, as we had just woken up to the sound of gravitational waves.
We have been waiting for this for so long. We don't know if we were lucky and this happened to be an event that happened relatively close to Earth, but it's very rare. Or perhaps there are many more neutron stars than we thought. We don't know that yet, but we will know